Hello friends, my name is Jain Patil. Welcome to our new YouTube channel mecivilengineer. Please subscribe to this channel and press bell icon if you are seeing this video for the first time. mecivilengineer is a knowledge sharing platform that helps all civil and mechanical engineers. Today we are discussing important topic about infrastructure, and that is BIM, Building Information Modeling. What is BIM? It is one of the most promising developments in the architecture, engineering and construction industry. It has been gaining interest among civil engineers as means to improve project outcomes with multiple design solutions and ease up arrangement throughout projects. In this video, we are presenting BIM in shortly. Our agenda. Introduction. BIM is a highly collaborative process that helps digitally construct an accurate virtual model of a building. This model can be used for the planning, design, construction and operation of the facility. The relevant needed data to support the design, procurement, fabrication and construction activities required to realize the project. After completion, this detailed model can be used for operations and maintenance as well. Now we are seeing advantages of BIM. There are various advantages of using BIM in the designs and construction process, including first, cost and resource savings; second, shorter project life cycle; third, improve on-site collaboration and communication; fourth, sustainability; and last, transparency. Now we are seeing applications. The following are some of the applications of BIM in civil engineering. First of, capturing existing site conditions. Reality capture data, 2D CAD, raster data and GIS, Geographic Information System data to enhance the accuracy of the 3D model of existing sites. Detailed designing. BIM can use advanced tools such as component roads, cross-section views and super elevations for more advanced road design. Conceptualizations. Using an intelligent 3D project model, civil engineering can rapidly produce conceptual designs of their infrastructure and evaluate different options in preliminary design phases. Performing analysis and simulations. BIM allows the engineering teams to make better design decisions with tools for site distance, flood simulations, dynamic site analysis and more. And last, cost reductions. BIM can be used by civil engineers for model-based cost estimation or 5D BIM. It has tools to automate the cost estimation process early in planning stage, calculate future expenses with much greater accuracy, comparing the cost effectiveness of different methods. BIM used by teledesign, analysis, documentation, fabrication, construction 5D or 4D, construction logistics, operations and maintenance, demolition, renovation, programming, conceptual design, etc. What are the popular BIM software used by civil engineers? BIM software for all civil engineers provides model-based process for designing and managing bids and infrastructure. Some of the popular BIM software used by Autodesk Revit structures. It is BIM software for architect, landscapers, structural engineers, mechanical, electrical and plumbing engineers, designers and contractors. Tekla structures. The software is used in the construction industry for details of steel and concrete precast and in situ casting. Autodesk InfraWorks. They use to generate accurate and visually rich conceptual designs and aggregate conceptual data from sources like Geospatial Information System and Reality Capture. Autodesk Navisworld. It allows user to open and combine 3D model, navigate around them in real time, and review the model using a set of tools including comments, redlining, viewpoint, and measurements. And last, Autodesk AutoCAD. It is used to plan, design, and deliver land development, water, and transportation projects. Thank you.